good? I don't know. Ooh, I missed you, Mommy. I just lost another tooth. Oh, yeah. Bring down.
You guys know where Mommy went?
Tobacco.
That's close. It's Temecula.
Oh. You went to Temecula? Oh, yeah. Am I in the camera? Am I in the camera?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Daddy? Ooh, yeah. Mommy?
Mm-hmm.
Are you good? She didn't answer me. Cut! Cut!
You want to say anything else to Mommy?
Oh, yes! I love you, Mommy! How good duty.
Brandon?
Bye-bye. Bye.